Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss concepts of particular integration or particular integral. So, particular integral of linear differential equation. So, we are already discussed about the linear differentiation. So, that is if linear differential equation, that is f dy equal to q of x. So, here if q of x equal to 0, then that equation is called homogeneous linear differential equation, and this f d of y equal to 0. So then substituting d in place of m, so that is f of m equal to 0. Solving this equation we get the auxiliary equation solution. So the solution of auxiliary equation is called complementary function. So definition of complementary function. So the solution of auxiliary equation is known as complementary function. So a function of x satisfies the linear differential equation of f d of y equal to 0 is known as complementary function of linear differential equation. So linear differential equation complementary function is nothing but the solution of auxiliary equation. Next coming to the particular integral. So in f d of y equal to q of x, so in this q of x is not equal to 0 and the form q of x is in the form of suppose e power ax or sin ax and x power n forms, then we finding this solution of q of x is known as particular integral. So definition of particular integral: a function of x which satisfies the linear differential equation f d of y equal to 0 is known as particular integral. So this is the particular integral concept. So therefore the general solution of linear differential equation contains, that is general solution of linear differential equation y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Therefore the problems contains complementary function and particular integral. So the solution of auxiliary equation is known as complementary function, and particular integral have different methods. So I will explain methods of particular integrals. Method 1. So if particular integral of f d of y equal to e power ax, where a is a constant. So in place of q, here we have e power ax. So if e power ax, then the particular integral of e power ax, here we have two cases. Case 1, if e power ax, substituting a value in f of d, then if f of a is not equal to 0, substituting a value in f of d, if f of a not equal to 0, then the particular integral equal to f of d into e power ax, then substituting this value in f of d, so that is 1 by f of a into e power ax. So this is the particular integral. Next, case 2, when f of a equal to 0. So substituting e power ax value, e power a, that is a value in f of d, then that value, equation value is 0, then the particular integral, that is 1 by d into e power ax, that is equal to 1 by d minus a power k into e power ax. So this can be written as x power k by k factorial into e power ax. So this is the particular integral of e power ax. So there are two cases, that is f of a not equal to 0, then the particular integral of e power ax is 1 by f of a into e power ax, and case 2, when f of a equal to 0, then particular integral of e power ax is 1 by d minus a whole power k into e power ax, the or x power k by k factorial into e power ax. Let us move to problems. First one, d square minus 3d plus 2 into y equal to e power 5x. So this is in the form of fd of y equal to q of x. So here the general solution of this linear differential equation is y equal to cf plus pi. So that is y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So first to find the complementary function of given equation, so that is f of m equal to 0. So m square minus 3m plus 2 equal to 0. So to finding the roots of this equation, that is m square minus 2m minus m plus 2 equal to 0. So therefore m into m minus 2 minus 1 into m minus 2 equal to 0. So the roots of this equation, m equal to 1 comma 2. So these roots are real and different. So therefore complementary function, that is y equal to c1 e power m1x plus c2 e power m2x. So this is the complementary function. Next to finding the pi, so that is particular integral. So what is particular integral? So here in place of q of x, here we have e power 5x, e power 5x. So formula 1 by fd equal 1 by f of d into e power ax. So substituting a value in f of d, then we get f of a not equal to 0 or f of a equal to 0. So here that is equal to 1 by fd value d square minus 3d plus 2 into e power 5x. So substitute here a equal d equal to 5. So 1 by 25 minus 15 plus 2 into e power 5x. So that is equal to 1 by 12. 1 by 12 into e power 5x. So here f of a is not equal to 0. So f of a not equal to 0, that means this problem belongs to case 1. So therefore particular integral equal to 1 by 12 e power 5x. So final general solution of given problem, y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So y equal to complementary function is c1 e power x plus c2 e power 2x plus 1 by 12 e power 5x. So this is our required general solution of given problem. So next problem, d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole cube into y equal to e power x. So fd of y equal to q of x. So first finding complementary function. Complementary function, so that is f of d of y equal to 0. So f of m equal to 0. So what is here? M plus 2 into m minus 1 whole cube equal to 0. So therefore m plus 2 equal to 0 and m minus 1 whole cube equal to 0. So m equal to minus 2 and here m equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1. So therefore the roots of given problem 1 comma 1 comma 1 minus 2. So therefore the roots are real and equal. So here I am writing complementary function of this problem y equal to, so c1 e power, this is m1x, so that is e power minus 2x plus e power x into, already c1 completed, so c2 plus c3x plus c4x square. Okay, so this is the complementary function. Next, to finding the particular integral, so that is 1 by f of d into e power ax, so that is 1 by f of a into e power ax. So substituting here 1 by f of d into e power x, so 1 by f of d value is d plus 2 into d minus 1 whole cube into f of e power x, substituting d equal to 1. By substituting d equal to 1, here 1 plus 2 and 1 minus 1 whole cube into e power ax, so that is 0. So here we get f of a equal to 0. So this problem belongs to case 2. This problem belongs to case 2. So therefore particular integral of case 2 is, so particular integral of case 2 is 1 by, here 1 plus 2 is 3, 1 by 3. So formula x power k by k factorial into e power ax. So here k equal to 3. So x cube by 3 factorial into e power x. So 1 by 3 into x cube by, so 3 factorial, that is 6 e power x. So x cube by 18 e power x. So this is our particular integral. So therefore general solution of given problem y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So y equal to, so what is complementary function here? c1 e power minus 2x plus e power x into c2 plus c3x plus c4x square plus x cube by 18 into e power x. Next problem, d square minus 1 into y equal to cos hx. So here f of d of y equal to q of x, so fm of 0, so m square minus 1 equal to 0, that is the roots of given equation 1 comma plus or minus 1, so that is 1 comma minus 1. So complementary function of given problem y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x. So to finding the particular integral, so here cos hx, so what is the formula for cos hx? So cos hx equal to cos hx e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So in place of cos hx, here I am writing e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So therefore particular integral equal to 1 by f of d into, here e power x plus e power minus x by 2. So therefore 1 by f of a, so that is d square minus 1 into 1 by 2 of e power x plus e power minus x. So here 1 by 2 of 1 by d square plus 1, so that is d plus 1 into d minus 1. So 1 by d plus 1 into d minus 1 into e power x plus 1 by d plus 1 into d minus 1 into e power minus x. So here substituting in place of d e power ax. So here a value is 1. So here 1 plus 1 2 and 1 minus 1 0. So here k equal to 1. So what is the formula? X power k by k factorial. So that is x power 1 by 1 factorial into e power x. So plus next one, e power minus x. So minus 1 plus 1 0. So here minus 1 is minus 2 and this power is 1. So x power 1 by 1 factorial into e power minus x. So 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 of x e power x. So x e power x by 2 minus here also x e power x by 2. So therefore here 1 by 2 into here in this x is common, then e power x minus e power minus x by 2. So x by 2 of, so this is the formula for sin hx. Sin x hx. So this is our required particular integral. So therefore general solution of given problem y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So therefore y equal to c1 e power x plus c2 e power minus x plus what is particular integral? X by 2 sin hx. Next problem, d square plus 1 into y equal to e power x plus 1 whole square. So here f of m equal to 0, so that is m square plus 1 equal to 0. So therefore m equal to plus or minus I. So that can be written as m equal to 0 plus or minus I. So the complementary function of this equation is y equal to e power alpha x into c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. So here alpha equal to 0 and beta equal to 1. So therefore y equal to e power 0x. So e power 0 value is 1. c1 cos beta x. c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. So this is our required complementary function. So coming to the particular integral. So here q of x equal to e power x plus 1 whole square. So by writing a plus b whole square formula. So that is e power 2x plus 2 e power x plus 1. So 1 by f of d into q of x. So that is equal to 1 by d square plus 1 into e power 2x plus 2 e power x plus 1. So therefore 1 by d square plus 1 into e power 2x plus 2 into 1 by d square plus 1 into e power x plus here 1 by d square plus 1. So here in place of 1 I am writing e power 0x. E power 0x. So because e power 0 value is 1. So therefore substituting e power 2x. So here substituting d equal to 2. So 1 by 5 e power 2x plus 2 into here a equal to 1. So 2 into 1 by 2 e power x plus here substituting 0. So e power 0. So d square 0 square plus 1 is 1. So 1 by 5 e power 2x plus e power x plus 1. So this is our required particular integral. So general solution of given problem y equal to complementary function plus particular integral. So therefore y equal to, here we get the complementary function is c1 cos x plus c2 sin x and the particular integral 1 by 5 e power 2x plus e power x plus 1. So this is the concept of method 1. So therefore y equal to CF plus PI. Hope you are all understood this concept. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.